All right, we're back at it. Let's finish what we were doing. You get every last second of my suffering when it comes to scratch coding. Well, that's one of the things I didn't like when I was watching tutorial types on other channels and everything. I didn't like how they would just have it. Okay, so I finished everything here off screen, blah, blah, blah. Try to catch up. No, let's do it together, man. Picture, nope, SKU, description, and category ID. Value equals bloop, 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 bloop. Product, SKU. Because then it's hard to keep up, you know what I mean? Like you're trying to follow along and the person off screen just finished everything on you and then went, okay, moving on. And you're going, wait, hold on a second. I got to pause the video for 20 minutes? Get out of here. Now, if you're a better typist than I am, it shouldn't take that long at all because you should know what we're doing. And on top of that, that repetition is making you understand how to put these things together, all right? Now you know, oh yeah, this is how I get the values to print out. All right, so then there's description, and that's, oh yeah, this is text area. Sorry. Text area, it's already hot in this room, by the way. Text area, class equal, no, actually I don't need the class. Name equals description. And with text areas, you don't have a value. You could do a placeholder, but what you would do is you would just put it in here. That's what she said. Just go product. Just put it between the tags. Description. And P class. If is set. Discrete this. This. And then finally, div class equals form area. And that is, how do you get select class equals main select name equals category. How do you get the select to start off on the value? It's the same thing. So the first option, value equals blank. No, I don't need that. I don't need that. Actually, no, wait. No, let's not do that. Let's do the whole thing. For each, oops, in here. For each category as C, and for each, and we'll do option value equals, actually, again, relationships are good. Hold on. I gotta double check. I just figured this out on my own before, and now I don't know. Wait, I should have kept that open. View, edit. Oh, that's how I didn't change the category. Never. All right, then we're not going to change the category here. I know why I didn't change the category, because it's just, you can screw it up. Let me think. If you want to do the category, what you'd have to do is you would kind of need relations, because you needed to get the actual category name. So but you gotta, I mean, it's a lot of, yeah, let's forget it. Again, if I were using Laravel, I would totally show you how to do it, but even if I was doing even if I had been using CodeIgniter, I would have easily been able to show you, but this is different. This is just weird. Fuel is just weird because, again, it doesn't have. You could try the relations. It doesn't really work well. You could also do a join, so you can get the category names and everything. Or because it's not even just so much having the category names from that you could just send the categories through in the data and then have the list. It's getting the value that you already have. You would need the name of the value you already have. That's what it comes down to. And that would be like a check. It's a mess. Just for a select, forget it. Forget it. Like the same thing with the picture upload. I don't want to do this again. This is annoying. You could do it easily, but this is just to show you how you can do this stuff and make a site out of it. Okay. I mean, if you really want me to show you, I can go through it with you, but you can ask for it in the commentary. I mean, no offense, I don't think your life would be over if I didn't show you how to update that. Again, the image would not change. You would just change the name and you would upload it there. It's just that I don't feel like doing it again. We want to get to shopping. And product. Well, actually, let's just do data. Product equals model product. Find D. And then we'll do the namer blank price blank SKU blank and description. This is just to see that we did everything right. Product. That's why I do that, and then do that. So, I mean, you can reference it. You can reference in data product, but it's just too much going on there. It's like double arrays again, and we don't want any of that. Edit, and then we send the data. Okay. Now again, repetition, you'll see. You'll see the repetition that how it. Why do I keep doing that? Why do I keep doing that? You'll see how repetition now that when it comes to like the checks and everything, it'll be easy. As you can tell, we have all the things that we want. Now we can just change it. And we'll do the same checks. So we'll go if, and you know how to do this because we've done it a million times. Post, edit. Then we make the edit prod equals validation, forge. And then we just kind of add field, kind of populate it. Name, product name. If you want, you can copy paste. I'm not going to do that. What was the min length on that? 2 and 50 max. And then required. I just gave it a max length, right? Max length of 7. Flip. Add prod, add field, SKU. I always type sky. Min length of 9, max length of 10, and is numeric. Edit prod. Description. Min length of 10. And there we are. And then if it runs, if everything works, we repopulate. And what we do is we go update equals model find ID. And then we go update name equals input post name. Update price equals number format, and input post price 2 spots, put a decimal point where there's nothing. Update SKU input post SKU and update description input post description. Okay, and then we do a save, and then we just return redirect. No, I'm sorry. Response, redirect, and that would be to product again. And if it doesn't, then you know what we got to do. Then we go data name equals edit prod get message. I'm sorry. Error name data price edit prod error price. Again, the more you do this over and over again, the easier it becomes later on, because you're so used to doing it And you say, oh yeah, that's right. And data equals prod error description. And I forgot to set my messages, so let's do that. Edit prod set message required. Enter a fucking field and edit prod set message is numeric. Yeah, that's not fucking. Okay, we've done this a million times. Shouldn't be any different. Let's do that. Oh, sorry. Put that in the wrong place. Okay. Now, if we go like this, and we take that out, and we go bloop, it'll give me enter a fucking name. If we go like this, and we go no, we go that, and it's not a fucking number. Now, if we say it's 55 cents because of inflation, and damn inflation. And we hit update, it goes back here, and if we look, it went up 55 cents, and let's take a look. And then there's your damn inflation. So, checks out. If I say rings, and I go bloop, I'll say rings. If I say that, do that. Oh yeah, I didn't change that. Hold on. Let me go back there. Let's style that. And that's edit prod. Oh, boo-KB. And there you go. So that's that. That's all we have to. Let's get rid of this. Let's just go back to this. Now, what we want to do is we want to do the view. And the view is only going to be when we're actually buying the item. I don't need you anymore. I need you. I don't need you. You. Yes, you. View. That's new. That's edit. So let's do public function action view ID. This is where we're going to get all of the processing, the purchasing, and everything like that is going to be in here. But let's set the page up first because we're going to be doing a lot of styling, So let's make sure we get it all set. Cur user equals model user. You remember this? Model user find cookie get ID. Cart items equals model cart item, and this is where we're going to query where this is user ID equals cookie get ID, where sold 0 get. This is where we're going to find out if the styling actually worked and everything went through correctly after we start populating the cart. And we need to get product equals model product find ID. And then we'll do data product. We could just send product. It's not a big deal. I don't know. Might have to compact it. Anyway, let's just do that. Excuse me. And then we'll do this. I mean, there is going to be functionality here. There is going to be a form here. But we'll worry about that later. We just want to kind of get it, put it together. and then we'll worry about all the functionality tomorrow, because tomorrow what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting up the home, and which we should be doing now anyway. Setting up the home, and then we're going to be setting up, we have some stuff left to do. Most of it is JavaScript. But there is something left to do. We have some stuff. You know, we have to do the cart, we have to do the updating the billing address, we have to do the and the checkout, and then that's pretty much it. We're done. And after that, it's up to you guys if you want me to do more, but I'm going to be studying for the next project. And working on everything else. Okay, so view. Now let's go. Div equals view prod wrapper. No, hold on. View prod wrapper. I'll tell you what. Div class equals view prod interior. No, view prod view. We'll do that. Background wrapper. And then we're going to go div class view prod cart and we'll go like that. And the reason is because in here is going to be our form. Ecom public product and that'll be a select and name equals quantity. Now I want to see, I don't know if I changed, I don't think I changed the total. I think it was only if you bought it. I'm pretty sure. Value equals blank. Select. No. We won't do that. We'll just do one. We'll do this up to 10. Equals 4. Keep my eyes on the clock. As usual, I have somewhere to go. Make sure I'm spelling option right. I mean, HTML just looks stupid. There really aren't any HTML errors. I mean, they have HTML errors in HTML5 in terms of checks, but not really like coding errors. It just looks dumb, and you go, oh, look, that looks dumb. I wonder if I did something wrong. Option, and then, oh wait, let me put a form area in there. Got to keep everything, keep it separated. And then we got a button area. I want to at least set this thing up before we go into it tomorrow. Now with this, we're going to go h3 class equals main heading, and we'll just print out the name of it. Product name. We'll have the image area. Next we'll go div class, yeah, we'll do that. Prod image. And we'll just go image source equals ecom public and products, and then we'll go like this. They do have like an image class that sort of resizes and everything. We're going to resize it ourselves. With the styling and everything like that. And then from here we'll go div class equals view prod interior. No, I already have that, don't I? No. Okay. Do I have it? No. I have a cart and that's it. And we'll go div, and we'll just print out the stats. P class equals view prod list, and we'll just do a name Bob. Yeah. And we'll go, let's close that. Product price. It'll already be formatted. We don't have to format it. And then we're going to go P class. And then we'll do one of these. If cookie get roll equals A, we'll just go P class link href equals ecom public product T and class link, and we'll just go edit. We'll just do that for those that are administrators. So now if we hit refresh, let's go to product, what was that, 13? And this is what we got so far. Now, obviously that looks like crap. We're going to change all that. We're going to add to it. We're going to fix it for you. And we'll do that when I come back tomorrow. I'll see you then.